Preston Freeze with Blue Water Yacht Sales on the V-46 by Valhalla Boatworks. This one is powered by V12 600 Mercuries. And as you come over here into the cockpit, underneath this rocket launcher is a Seakeeper-6. Cooler underneath the aft-facing seat, along with tackle storage here. And as we move forward here, we've got the gap tower. Dual row seating by Release Marine with removable backrests. And then we move forward up to the command center here. We've got a 24-inch Garmin along with two 22-inch Garmins. Got an E-box here. Joystick, bow thruster, and a glove box. This boat has zip-wake automatic trim tabs. And as we move forward here, we've got our Chase Sun Lounger here. And down below we have a cooler, can optionalize a live well. Forward we have a table, 2 forward seats. Table is optional. And then let's move back here to my favorite part, the cabin. So as we step down below here, we have a settee that can drop down into a berth, along with a television. We have a small little galley here. And as we step into our wet head, we've got shower, toilet, and sink. And then one of the cool features is the mechanical room on this boat. As you move forward there, you can put an Omni sonar center line there if you choose to do that option. Generator, water maker, hot water heater, and everything will be stowed here. Again, I'm Preston Freeze with Blue Water Yacht Sales. If you're interested in the Valhalla product, contact me or your other Blue Water broker today.